Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're all well. Today, I thought, why not play some Airwolf on the ZX Spectrum? I mean, how hard can it be? It looks nice and colourful. Like this game. Fuck. Oh, come on, can you not shoot straight? That is some painful scrolling. Why is it only shooting up? Okay. Hover! Oh, and all the bricks come back. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, damn it. Come on, we can do this. Take our time. Take your time. Fuck! Damn it. I'm out of bullets. Okay. Joking aside, here's my issue. Right? The wall comes back. The goddamn wall comes back. As I said, joking aside, here is my issue. Right? If I let go, I'm constantly falling. So I've got to keep going up to hover. Right, then as I'm falling, my bullets only go up at that angle. When I'm going up, my bullets go, like, slightly down, look. So, to get them to go in a straight line, directly forward, is a bit difficult. Especially if you're moving forward as well, look, they shoot straight down. If I'm going up, I can only shoot a few at a time. A bonus. There's a bonus. Right. And this wall here. I'm not going to lie to you. I've been trying to get past this wall for some time. This can't be the whole game. Look, I can't get them ones. And then the wall comes back. See? Like this. Nice and slow. Get through it. Make a hole. Come on. Wall comes back. Goddamn wall. Hate this wall. I don't. Is the C64 one this bad? Oh, God. Oh. There was a gap. But it angles as well. It doesn't go through straight. Again. How hard can it be? Oh, the anger. Come on. I just want to see what's past this wall. Come on. I'm almost there. Damn wall! Is this a good game? No. How hard can it be? Very. They're saying video games encourages violence. I know what they mean. Why would that brick not disappear? Now I can't shoot. I'm too close. Now I'm dead again. Last one. Last go. Oh dear, didn't do it that time. Right, come on. No, oh no, it's glitched out. No, it's even got a glitch in the wall. Oh, it's unglitched. I'm dead. I just want to see what's past the end of this wall. Come on, please. Come on. That's good. Go. Fuck. I'm going to play something else now. Avoid this game. Right, I can't believe I'm doing this to myself, but There's an Airwolf 2 on the Spectrum. Let's see. Please don't be more of the same. It couldn't be, could it? It couldn't be. It's not. It's a different game. It's a shooter. And look at that. It hovers. It shoots in a straight line. We're already on to a winner. Do you know what? It's for Spectrum shooters go. It's not bad. Feels very like I'm in space. No. Why? The wall. Oh, we got through the wall. Well, they included the wall, but they definitely mixed it up a bit. Well, how do I... There's bonuses up on the top there. How do I use those? Oh, I can't do it now. Oh, no, I'm dead. Oh, what a place to start you. Oh, it's still messing me about, though. There we are. Oh. What hit me? Oh, just when I thought it was going to be good. Don't play Airwolf. Play the second one. Don't play the first one. Did anyone actually enjoy that game? Please let me know in the comments whether you actually played and enjoyed Airwolf and how the hell you get past that first wall. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.